Galit ka dyan Ha, kulang na lang sirain mo yan.
Smells poop.
You smell poop? Ha?
Yes, it's expired, but I just went in for an Illinois license. I know I have like unregistered tags. I have my whole thing. I have not. I have.
Copy one by file out of New York.
No valid ID. Unregistered tags.
I'm sorry.
Being accused by Walmart of stealing.
Yes, sir.
Pag iyan ay nasira, itatali ko yan sa liig mo.
Rather than explaining
La.
the situation, she steals
Pag
the
nasira yung una na yan,
conversation, talking about her criminal history while completely
Tali ko yan sa liig mo, dong.
merchandise sitting in her car.
Itatali ko yan sa liig mo, dodong. Hala.
Where I technically assaulted a older guy. Yeah, my sister and my niece. Okay, all right, just checking. This has. I have my sister. She can come down here.
Okay.
She was up.
So we don't need your sister, but you said you have the receipts. Then what are the receipts for?
It's a digital receipt for the card.
Okay. More training. You want this?
For the card. This I got it. This I gotta get it. This I got it. Kitchen. Everything is okay. I got.
Nahirapan ka, ganyan lang,
For
oh.
me, I